Hey guys, it's Eureka. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's really just a quick update on my locks, you know, what I've been doing to them, how they've been looking and things like that. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. So jumping right in, I'm almost at 10 months. May 1st is going to be 10 months for me. And honestly, my locks are looking locked. Okay, like they're looking legit. Like around the third to fifth month, I'll say, is when I started to really see like the full transition. But like here, it's not fully locked, but you can tell, okay, yeah, she has locks, as opposed to, oh, it's just twist. So I'm currently at the stage where, you know, I've been trying more stuff. I've been trying more wigs, you know, try to be like more flexible with my hair, but also keeping in mind that I still have to take care of my hair. One thing that I also started to do was use conditioner, because, you know, I, like most of you, I'm sure, didn't know that you could use conditioner on locks. So for the first, I want to say 5 to 6 months, I didn't use any conditioner. And so from then until now, I've been using conditioner. And honestly, I can see a big difference in my hair. Like my hair looks a lot softer. It feels softer. And like the ends have the little curly thing going on. Like some of them, not all of them. But yeah, and like it really feels a lot better. Another thing, I've been brushing my locks like with a hairbrush, just to have it look sleek and neat and things like that. I don't retwist my hair too often because I don't want to put all that tension around my hairline. Like it's too much for me, so I don't retwist it that much. But I try to just keep it neat looking, keep it cute looking and things like that. And of course, from the last video, I did add some lock sprinkles. So I have like 4 strands in the front with lock sprinkles on them. I honestly really like my sprinkles because it just stands out. Like it's not too much, it's not too little, it's just enough, it's just the right amount. I really like that. And I am noticing that some of my locks, like in the back, I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but like in the back, they're like, they don't have curly ends anymore. They're just, you know, they're just like being like, it's like a little ball. It's not really like a pointy. Like in the front, they're like pointy ends, but in the back, it's just like some big thing. And one more thing that I didn't want to mention, I do not palm roll. I just retwist the roots of my hair. And with doing that, I noticed that every single one of my locks are different. And I honestly, I didn't know I wanted that until I got that. And like, I just love the fact that each one of them is different. They all have their own personality, and I really enjoy that look. It's not a uniform look. It's just the hair being the hair, you know. I really like that. I think that's pretty much like all the updates that I have in terms of, you know, like what I've been doing with my hair. Like not much, honestly. Just trying new things in terms of wigs and things like that, just to see, you know, how much I could do with it. It was my birthday this month. Hello, I'm officially 24. I did put a wig on. I'm gonna like link it here somewhere for you guys to see. I also tried a lace frontal. That one was a little tricky, I'm not gonna lie. Also, I've been trying to, you know, keep up with the oiling of my scalp and all of that. I'm not gonna lie, like I'm not that good with that. I'm really not, but I'm trying, and that's all that matters. But like honestly, I think that's pretty much it in terms of like, you know, update on the locks. I'm really liking them. I'm feeling them. Like I didn't realize I wanted it until I got it, and that's pretty much it. So one thing that I wanted to touch on that is very important when you get locks: shrinkage doesn't go away. It does not go away. Looking at my hair, like I feel like every month it shrinks up more and more, and it's just so funny to me because I thought I wouldn't have any more shrinkage, but I have the same amount, if not more shrinkage. However, shrinkage means that your hair is healthy, so that's a good thing. But I am noticing that, you know, like the back is just the back is shrinking up more. The back is shrinking up more. The front is not that much shrinkage, but then again, when I was natural, the front of my hair wasn't as much as the back. So the back is shrinking a lot more than the front. It's okay. I'm honestly learning to just let the hair be and not be so focused on having it look a certain way that I want it to look. So it's just a journey that I'm trying to enjoy and embrace and just let the hair be exactly what it is. So with that being said, that's pretty much it. Like, that's all I have for 10 months. I'm excited to see, you know, how my hair is gonna look in 2 more months when I'm gonna hit my 1 year. Like, I'm really looking forward to that. But that's pretty much it. I'm gonna zoom in and show you guys how the hair looks, and yeah. So that's pretty much it. Like, that's all I had for today. Just a quick update on the locks, how they're looking, what I've been doing to them. You know, I'm trying to be low-key, not do too much, but at the same time, you know, when I have that itch, you know, I have to try something new and just see how it goes. But overall, like, the locks are locking up, you know, everything is looking good. The hair is healthy. There's really no breakage. Everything is good. And I just want to say one thing. If you are locked and you are not using conditioner, please start using conditioner. It is very important, and you're going to see a big difference with the hair. Do not believe anybody that tells you that you don't need conditioner. Yes, you do. You need shampoo and conditioner, both. So with that being said, that is it for this video. This is 10 months. We are loving it. The journey is amazing. It is beautiful. Just try and embrace it and take it all in. And that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.